a quick fat burning workout. It's going to be seated or focusing on arms. So let's get started. We're going to start with the good old arm circle. It's a great way to warm up the body, get blood
circling to your...
So here we go. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. So arms up to the side.
To the side.
Forward. Small.
You go up to part.
And more medium. And then get a little bigger with your circles.
Bigger
We're
circle.
going to switch sides in 3, 2, 1. Let's rotate backwards now. Again, small. Really reach with your fingertips to your side. Boom. Go medium. Go bigger. Make sure you're breathing. 3, 2, 1. And done. I feel good. I feel ready to go. We have the tricep press next. All we're doing is pushing your hands together as if in prayer hands. Get your arms overhead. This is going to be your position right here. We want our elbows bent. All we're doing is pressing overhead and squeezing the whole time. So we really want to make sure we're contracting our triceps here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
Let's go do it.
Boom. Really stretch them out. And then squeeze.
Boom.
Stop using ChatGPT.
Shut up.
Use it for systems to automate half of your life. It's 2025. AI can build a pro-level website.
Sorry for
Hopefully
that.
you have less hair than I do.
Okay.
So it doesn't get in your way. So just really squeeze here. And squeeze at the top.
Squeeze at the top.
Also try to stay upright as best you can.
Okay.
Also engage with your core. Push your feet against the ground. Turns into a full body exercise. 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh, triceps. I'm already feeling it, but we are not done yet. We have punches. Let's get some cardio. Let's get some fat burning stuff here. We're just alternating between punching in front of you. Do whatever type of punch you want. The name of the game is keep your arms up. Don't let your arms drop low. Boom. We're here. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. There it is. Keep that core tight.
Keep the core
those
tight.
arms up. Want to get back to guard. Bring your arm that's not throwing the punch back to your cheek. Protect yourself at all times. There it is. You can go nice and slow for this one and speed it up as you get more comfortable.
You can make it fast, make it slow.
All you're doing is you're just having your palm face you and rotating it down. You're going to feel it all up in your arms. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Next, we have some arm pulses. We're going to keep
arm pulses.
That tension up. Here we go. Arms will be out to the side, and we're just going to focus on. You can do ones in front of you. You can do ones to the side. You can do ones behind you. Whatever you prefer. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm going to do mine to the side. Really work on my shoulders and my arms. Just small, steady pulses. We're not dropping all the way down to the ground. We're not going all the way up. Just stay right here in this pocket. Again, you can do some in front of you, like this. Work out your front of your shoulders, front of your arms. You can do them behind you. Work out more of triceps. Or you can do lateral raises like this. Pick your poison. Or antidote, whatever you want to call it.
Call it whatever you want.
3, 2, 1, and drop. Great job. Last, we're just going to do an overhead reach and squeeze. Think of it as a standard shoulder press. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So arms off to the side. We're going to reach overhead, squeeze at the top. And then on the way back, squeeze with shoulder blades. Boom. Just like that. Reach again. As far as you can. Pull those shoulders back. Make sure you're breathing. There it is. Squeeze. Boom. So reach. Extend. And pull. One more here. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. And done.
Great job.
Shake it out. Shake out your body. I know it feels like tense. Oh gosh, got two more sets of this? Yes, you do. And you're going to crush it. So grab some water if you need to. I'm going to stop talking. Music's going on. Let's have some fun, baby. Arm circle. 3, 2, 1. Go. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Subscribe to my channel.
Switch in 3, 2, 1. Switch.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning.
3,
3, 2,
2, 1.
1.
Done.
Done.
Tricep press.
Tricep press.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Go. Next, we're going to be doing the punching.
3, 2, 1.
1.
Done.
Done.
Punches.
Punches.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Go. 30 seconds with your coach, me.
Three,
2,
2, 1. Done.
done.
Arm pulse.
Arm
3, 2, 1.
pulse.
Go.
Go. Go. Remember, you can do in the front or inside. Arm pulse.
Three,
2,
2, 1. Done. Overhead reach with squeeze.
overhead
3,
squeeze.
2, 1. Go.
Go.
Three,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Great job.
Great
Second
job.
set done. One more to go. I
One
know
more
you're tired.
time to
My
go.
arms
My
are
arms
tired.
are
Let's push
tired.
ourselves for this last set.
Last
We got
set.
this. Here we go.
We got this. Round 3.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Yeah, subscribe now to see my next workout.
Switch in 3,
Switch
2,
in 3,
1.
2.
Switch.
Switch.
Come on. I
Come
know
on
your
now.
arms are tired.
I
Keep
know your
going.
arms
You
is
got this.
tired, but my arms is tired.
3, 2,
2.
1. Go.
Ah,
Tricep press.
Tricep
3,
press.
2, 1. Go.
go. Oh shit. Punches.
Three, 2, 1.
Oh.
Done. Punches. 3, 2, 1. Go. Keep punching. Keep swinging.
punching.
Pretend it's someone you don't like in
Yeah,
front of you.
pretend like somebody you don't know, you want to punch
Or
his
an
face.
obstacle in your way.
Pump, pump, pump.
Get rid of it. Punch it
Yeah,
out.
punch it out. Punch that. Yeah, but don't kill that, okay? Just punch it. But like
3,
2,
2, 1. Done.
done.
Arm pulse.
Arm
3,
pulse.
2, 1. Go.
Go.
I know the fatigue is starting to set into your
Yeah, I
arms.
know the
Keep
fatigue
going.
starting
You
to
got
set
this.
into-
Come on.
come
This
on.
is where it counts.
This is where it's counting.
3,
2, 1.
1.
Oh!
Done. Overhead reach with
Overhead
squeeze.
reach.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Go.
3,
2,
1.
1. Whew.
And there you have it.
And
That's
there you have it.
You burn fat.
Burn
get rid
fat.
of flabby arms. This
Flabby
is the
arms.
workout. That's going to get you there.
That's
Feel
what's
free
gonna
to
get
come
you
back
there.
to these type of workouts, especially the arm ones.
Especially
Daily,
arm
weekly,
ones.
whatever you want.
Whatever you
If
want.
you like this video, go ahead and leave
If
comments.
you like
Let
this
us know
video,
if you want
then
more of this, less of
subscribe.
this.
Put a like.
Either way, we are here
Okay.
for you guys in your health and fitness journey. We have so many more coming
We have
your way.
so
So
many more
click the
coming.
notification bell. Just stay on top of any
Just
new ones
hit that
dropping.
bell.
I will see you in the next video.
I
Stay
will
strong,
see you
my
in the
friends.
next video. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive